Anika, you told me about Carvaj's specialty and passive income. So it must also have some vision and mission. Please tell about them.
Yeah, sure. With the help of an online platform and Carvaj centers, Carvaj is creating a decentralized marketplace in which India will get demarcated in a radius of 10 km. The production of daily necessities and the buying and selling of those products will be done at the local level, so that people's money remains among them. And at the same time, everyone can get daily necessity products of high quality at a reasonable price. It is a known fact that MNCs manufacture and sell their products on a large scale, and the profit made in this process goes to a single individual. But as Carvaj is creating a decentralized marketplace, its profit will be shared with the members who promote Carvaj during pre-launch and will not be obtained by a particular person.
This is also a vision of national interest in a way. But how will Carvaj's mission be accomplished with this decentralized system and Carvaj centers?
About that, you are right. It is a vision of both national as well as people's interest. Now, I will tell you about the mission. If there is a decentralized system, local vendors will be able to start their small manufacturing units, which will help in increasing the employment opportunities and the per capita income. And as the local vendors will have their manufacturing units, they can become self-sufficient, and gradually every village, town, city will also develop. The profit received by Carvaj through its website will never go to any particular person, but will be shared with all and will be used for social welfare and development of the same area. Carvaj will create a completely transparent system so that the purchase and sale of Indian products can be easy and beneficial for all.
Carvaj's mission and vision are very detailed and perfect. Tell me a little more about its mission.
Carvaj is building an indigenous market where all locals and small businesses can sell their products. Carvaj will create a large decentralized retail outlet and delivery chain in India where everyone will have access to the products manufactured by the industries established in every city, town and village of India. Carvaj will also help the manufacturers in setting up their manufacturing units. So, the vendors who are selling the raw materials to the MNCs can now produce and sell their fine products. By doing this, the price of those products will also come down as the MNCs who make fine products by taking raw materials from them increase MRP, which is very high from the actual cost of that product, since it includes transportation, stock list, wholesaler, seller, retailer and company's own fixed profit.
Yeah, that's fine. But how will Carvaj create this decentralized market?
In establishing this decentralized system, the Carvaj centers will play an important role, as selling and buying of the products will happen at a local level and within a limited range. The production of products will be done based on their demands, so that the purchase and sale will be among them. It will not only help in keeping their money among them, but will also help in increasing it. And since Carvaj's profit will be shared with everyone and will be used for the development of that area, it will help every village, town and city become self-sufficient.
Carvaj's aim is great and I hope for its success.
Thanks for the same.
Since the count of Carvaj centers will be huge, how will it be operated?
For maintaining a complete decentralized and transparent system and for the smooth operation of Carvaj centers, we have created an organizational framework. In this, every state will have a state executive officer. After that, the state will get divided into different zones for which there will be a zonal executive officer. Similarly, the zone will get divided into divisions for which there will be a division executive officer. Then, there will be a subdivision executive officer. Then the subdivisions will get divided into towns which will be under the supervision of a town executive officer. These towns will be known as Carvaj centers, which will have a circumference of about 10 km or a population of about 50,000. There will be an assistant town executive and a delivery executive at these centers. The appointments of these posts will take place at the local level so that the system will remain fully transparent and work for the betterment of everyone.